Let's go. I thought I clicked. That clicked out. I thought I clicked out for a second. That's me. Why is he out there? Hold on. My dog got locked out. Try. No. Come on. Come on. Anyways, we're just gonna show you guys this. Okay, we're gonna make some fries here. No, it's not a TV. Oh no, I didn't move it though. Guess what I just got in the mail today. You'll never guess. We're waiting for this for 2,000 years. Now Bruce Bolt, let's open them up. I've opened them up already, but let's open them up again. I'm not sure if you can see me right now, but let's put them on. Got one on. And if you're a catcher like me and you're curious, do they fit under a catcher's glove? I got you. Yes, they are. Got the long cuff. And the best part about it. Thank you, Bruce Bolt. We'll be hitting some dingers with these. Thank you, Bruce Bolt. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm stupid. I forgot I still have these on.